channel. Today's video is something truly special, something that combines Scandinavian engineering, premium safety, and the freedom of the open road. We're diving deep into the world of the Volvo Motorhome, a luxury home on wheels built on the strong foundation of Volvo's legendary truck and bus platforms. If you've ever imagined traveling across the country without sacrificing comfort, technology, or safety, this is the vehicle that turns that dream into reality. First, let's clarify what we mean by a Volvo motorhome. Volvo does not mass-produce factory motorhomes the way some brands do, but many high-end motorhome manufacturers build their luxury RVs on Volvo truck or bus chassis. That means the core structure, the engine, suspension, braking system, and frame comes from one of the most respected commercial vehicle manufacturers in the world. And that foundation makes a massive difference. Starting with performance, most Volvo-based motorhomes are built on heavy-duty truck platforms like the Volvo FH series. Under the hood, you typically get a powerful turbocharged diesel engine, often ranging from 11 to 13 liters, producing anywhere between 400 to 540 horsepower. For everyday viewers, that means effortless highway cruising, strong overtaking power even with full load, and incredible torque for climbing steep mountain roads without strain. These engines are designed for long-haul trucking, which means durability is measured in hundreds of thousands, even millions of kilometers. This is not a fragile recreational vehicle, it's built for serious travel. The transmission is usually an advanced automated manual system, engineered for smooth gear shifts and fuel efficiency. Even though the vehicle is massive, driving it feels surprisingly refined. Volvo's dynamic steering system reduces steering effort at low speeds and stabilizes the vehicle at higher speeds. So whether you're maneuvering into a campsite or cruising on the motorway, control feels confident and predictable. Now let's talk about safety, because this is where Volvo truly dominates. Volvo is globally known for safety innovation. Many motorhomes built on Volvo platforms benefit from features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation systems, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and advanced stability control. When you're driving something this large, these systems are not luxuries, they are essential. The reinforced cab structure, airbag systems, and electronic braking technology make it one of the safest foundations you can choose for a motorhome. Moving to the exterior design, Volvo-based motorhomes often look bold and commanding. The front cab carries that signature Volvo truck styling, strong grille presence, aerodynamic shaping, and modern LED lighting. Behind the cab, the motorhome body can vary depending on the manufacturer, but most are designed with sleek fiberglass panels, integrated storage compartments, slide-outs for expanded living space, and large panoramic windows. These windows are not just for aesthetics, they flood the interior with natural light and make the space feel open rather than confined. Step inside, and this is where the transformation from truck to luxury apartment happens. The driver's cabin feels premium and ergonomic, with adjustable air suspension seats, a digital instrument cluster, multi-function steering wheel, and a large infotainment display with navigation, Bluetooth, and smartphone connectivity. The seating position is high, offering excellent road visibility, something drivers truly appreciate on long journeys. The living area behind the cockpit is where the magic unfolds. Depending on the layout, you can get a fully equipped kitchen with induction cooktops, microwave ovens, large refrigerators, and even dishwashers in ultra-luxury variants. The cabinetry is usually crafted from high-quality wood or composite materials with soft, close mechanisms. Ambient lighting systems create a warm atmosphere during the night. Sleeping arrangements vary, but often include a master bedroom with a queen or king-size bed, overhead storage, reading lights, and climate control. Some models offer additional convertible beds in the lounge area. The bathroom is not just a compact toilet space. In premium builds, you'll find a separate shower cabin, porcelain toilet, vanity sink, mirrors with LED lighting, and proper ventilation systems. Climate control is another strong area. Volvo motorhomes often include diesel-powered heating systems, rooftop air conditioners, and advanced insulation. That means you can comfortably travel in extreme heat or freezing conditions. Water tanks for fresh water and gray water are large enough for extended off-grid stays, and many units include solar panels and powerful battery banks to support independent living. Let's discuss ride quality. Since these motorhomes are based on heavy-duty Volvo chassis, the air suspension system absorbs road imperfections extremely well. Even on uneven highways, the cabin remains stable and composed. The braking system, typically air brakes with ABS and electronic stability programs, ensures strong and controlled stopping power, which is critical for a vehicle of this size and weight. Fuel efficiency might not be the primary concern for someone buying a luxury motorhome, but Volvo's modern diesel engines are surprisingly efficient for their class. Long-haul optimized engine tuning and aerodynamic cab design help reduce fuel consumption compared to many older RV platforms. Now, who is this motorhome for? It's ideal for long-term travelers, digital nomads, retired couples exploring continents, or even luxury tour operators. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle choice. The unique selling point here is the combination of commercial-grade reliability with residential-level comfort. You're essentially living inside a vehicle engineered for professional transport standards. Maintenance is another advantage. Volvo has a global service network, so spare parts and technical support are easier to access compared to niche motorhome-only brands. That adds peace of mind, especially for international travel. Of course, luxury comes at a price. Volvo-based motorhomes are typically positioned in the premium segment. However, what you're paying for is structural integrity, long-term reliability, top-tier safety, and refined driving dynamics. Elements that truly matter when your vehicle is also your home. In summary, the Volvo motorhome stands out because it merges strength, safety, technology, and comfort into one unified package. It delivers truck-level performance, industry-leading safety systems, premium interior craftsmanship, and the freedom to travel without limits. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountains, or parking beside a peaceful lake, this vehicle ensures you do it with confidence and comfort. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more in-depth automotive content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts. I'll see you in the next one.